Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to hide birthday on Facebook app. So it's a very easy and quick process. So what you need to do is head over to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And once you're there, just tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And from here, just see if you have logged in into your account. And just head over to your profile by tapping your profile right here, and here scroll down and go to this details option just bottom in the bottom of posts, videos and photos, and tap on see your about info. Mostly our in our basic info, the date of birth of our Facebook account is mentioned. So in the basic info section, as you can see, the date of birth is showing. So there is an option just beside the basic info, that is edit, on the top right of this section. Tap on edit. So as we want to hide our birthday on Facebook app, so in here, as you can see, my birthday not here. So birthday is set to friends of friends. It means the friends of my friends in my Facebook application can get to know my birthday. So if I want to hide from them, all I need to do is change it to only me. So now they can only see my birth year, but not my birthday. So yeah, and once you are done with it, make sure you tap on the save button on the top right corner. And now they can only see your birth year, not the date. So yeah, this is how you can just hide your birthday on your Facebook application. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.